Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to use filters. So we have these example objects, and if you want to set filters, you can click these icons, filters, and will be show the filter options in the bottom of your software. Like example, you can change for the brightness constraint, you can click these icons, and you can choose the brightness, change the brightness, or you can change the constraint. So another option, you also can use the blur filter. You can set like Gaussian blur. So this is for the Gaussian blur. Or you can set another like into lens blur. Okay, this is lens blur. So there are a lot of options for filters in this Ibis Paint X tutorial. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to use a filter. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.